In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get the Infestation camo quick on the M15 Mod 0 assault rifle in Black Ops 7. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, obviously go ahead and equip that M15 Mod 0, and what you're going to want to do is go into the Gunsmith tab and into the Customize tab and into the Camo section, where you're going to want to go ahead and select Zombies. This is where you're going to see all of the challenges that you have to complete in order to work your way up to the Infestation camo. Now, the first military camos overall are pretty easy to do. These are going to be your critical kills, which is essentially just headshots. You have to get 1,000 of them total. Just play farm right now, or really any other survival maps when they do come out. You'll be able to knock this one out quick. In fact, I'd recommend just playing farm for all of these, or just really any survival map for all of these, just because it'll make it just a little bit easier. Get 1,000 crit kills. We can move on to the special camos where you're going to get 300 hip fire kills. This, once again, is pretty self-explanatory. You can knock this one out pretty quickly. Just don't aim down sights and you'll knock it out. I would also recommend putting an extended mag on for this. It'll just help out a little bit more. For the Slither camo, you do have to get 3 critical kills consecutively 5 times. What this essentially means is you can't ever not get a critical kill. Everything is going to have to be those headshots. Otherwise, it's not going to count, and you have to do it 3 times in a row. So essentially, 3 zombie kills with only headshots 5 times in a row. This one overall is not too bad. If you're having any issues with this, go into an earlier round, and you'll knock this one out quick. For the Pathfinder camo, what you're going to do is get 300 kills with fireworks. Now, they actually did recently change this. Essentially, what you need to do is have fireworks activate. They don't have to be killed with the fireworks. You just need to get kills while fireworks is going off. So activate that fire mod, get those 300 kills, and you'll knock this one out quick. After doing that, you'll have the opportunity to get Golden Dragon. This one is just 10 kills rapidly 15 times. This is super easy. I'm going to be honest with you. Overall, it is 150 kills, but honestly, that's nothing in zombies. Just get a big train wound up, and you'll knock this one out. For Bloodstone, you are going to have to get the Golden Dragon camo on all of the assault rifles, but then you can get 20 or more consecutive kills without taking damage. This, once again, is super easy. Just don't take any damage and get 20 kills in a row 5 times. For Doomsteel, you just need to eliminate 10 elite zombies after getting, the Bloodstone camo on all 30 weapons. The best strategy for this is going into the fog on Ashwood. Everything else you're going to want to be in a survival map for, but this one is super easy by just running into the fog in there past round 16. It has to be past round 16 because then one of these things is going to spawn every 2 minutes. But finally, after you go ahead and get Doomsteel on all 30 weapons, or 30 primary weapons, you're going to have the ability to get the Infestation camo, which is an absolutely phenomenal camo. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.